Welcome back to the Hotep Money Channel, where we cover the latest in artificial intelligence and finance news. I'm your host, Hotep Jesus, and without further ado, let's get into our first update. Looks like Andrew Tate is having some more issues in a trading world. According to Look On Chain on X, Andrew Tate opened up another long on BTC today and got liquidated again in just an hour. He has now been liquidated 84 times in total on Hyperliquid. He may need to come to the workshop. We have a workshop tomorrow. If you're a member of menofwater.com, you will get the invite. Andrew, you should sign up, menofwater.com. Come learn how to trade. Now is your opportunity to hit the like and subscribe button and the links in the description box below. Let's go to the next story. Google's got a new update. Look like Google is out here big grifting. Google AI mode is still testing, showing ads in search results in their AI little bot thingamajiggy. According to a post on X by Brody Clark, Google is reportedly placing ads at the bottom of search results in a Gemini-powered AI mode, similar to those that appear in traditional searches. Google Search's AI mode is placing ads at the very end of the page. The sponsored cards are reportedly appearing in AI mode's official build outside of Google's lab experiments. They don't replace the organic results that line the outside and top of the AI mode search in the new update. Previously, the organic link cards appeared on the side, though Google seems to be placing them within Gemini's answer above the new ads. The update here says Google has noted that the intermittent ads in AI mode are part of ongoing tests the company announced in May alongside ads in AI review. Though ads might appear for some, Google assures users that there are no new updates in AI mode regarding sponsored ad distribution at this time. Shout out to Google, they making moves. I saw Perplexity and a lot of other people, they coming out with Comet and all these other browsers trying to compete with Google, and Google's holding strong. They are holding on for dear life to have that search monopoly. Yes, they are. Now, yesterday we saw a little dippy dip in the market. Some people attributed that to the U.S. job growth weakness. According to Seeking Alpha, it says the much delayed September jobs report on Thursday painted a mixed picture of the U.S. labor market. On the one hand, non-farm payrolls blew past estimates for the month. On the other hand, July and August numbers saw significant revisions, and the unemployment rate ticked up to the highest level since October 2021. The headline beat indicated that job growth was still ticking along. However, the revisions to the previous 2 months, along with the rise in unemployment rate, suggested that there were underlying cracks. The jobs report also complicated the picture for the Federal Reserve. The central bank already cut interest rates by 50 basis points across September and October, citing downside risks to the labor market. Policymakers are also increasingly divided over what action to take in December. Now, we got the FOMC meeting next week that may give us a peek into what's going to happen to interest rates going into, or interest rate announcements in December. So that is up in the air. A lot of uncertainty in the market, as you can probably tell from the charts. Employment growth from January through September 2025 has been the weakest since 2010, excluding 2020, which was affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. So that jobs report is looking brutal out here. I'm sure AI has a lot to do with it. And if you're invested in AI, I found an ETF today while I was doing my research for the show, AIQ. AIQ is a great ETF to take a look at if you want to follow the growth of AI and watch it on the charts and see, what's bearish, what's bullish, and go check out what's in their bundle, AIQ. OpenAI has some new features. Let's take a look to see what OpenAI has recently introduced. crazy. This is crazy. Wow. 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 Chat GPT group chats. Chat GPT group chats. I warned everybody before and said you will not be able to avoid AI. AI is going to take over everything. So there's going to be huge competition for people who try to integrate things like ChatGPT into their group chats, etc., etc. When ChatGPT cuts off your API, well, you're going to be SOL. You're going to be SOL, sir. Yep. Now all the old heads would argue with the AI in the group chats. Yeah. So look out for that. I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic. I think we're going to see high adoption. Currently, it is in pilot mode, so it's not released to all users yet. So look for that to get rolled out to free, Go, Plus, and Pro plans. This has been your finance and artificial update of the day. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button on your way out.
This product does not boost your testosterone. Boosting your testosterone is unhealthy. What this product does is it balances your hormone levels and frees up a natural testosterone production. That way you can get back to what you really want to do, which is hit the gyms.